This is the left gable. It is deemed non-repairable and completely paid for. We've done repair attempts on this front section because, as you can see, the left slope underlaps the front slope. As you can see, when we tried to raise the shingle, there was creasing, severe creasing, and severe mat transfer and tearing. The shingle will no longer reseal. This front slope section is non-repairable. Then another one on the right gable where we have spot repairs paid for. As you can see, by carefully trying to do a repair, it presents with creases, as well as severe mat transfer. Not only that, but tearing of the shingle underneath while trying to save it. This right slope is not repairable. I'm going to film my repair attempt here on the front slope for documentation. Raise it enough to get my hammer through to each nail. As you can see, we have creasing going on, just as the other repairs showed, as well as some severe mat transfer. This shingle will no longer reseal and is now creased. Front slope, right slope, and rear slope and left slopes are all non-repairable. We also have these box vents paid for replacement. However, they're chemically sealed with tar to the flat roofing material. It is all intertwined and connects in the current condition. It's just as the rest of the roof, it is non-repairable.